Tuvilo Dentures promise as an easy, no-hassle way to get a perfect smile at home. They say the dentures need no glue, no dentist, and no appointments. Just press them in, and they stick with a silicone suction cup. The site claims they fit whether you have all your teeth, some missing teeth, or none at all, and that you can mold and wear them yourself in about 30 minutes. It sounds simple and cheap, but we need to check if those claims are real or just clever advertising. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. When checking the Tuvilo Dentures website and ads, everything might look professional at first glance. Clean visuals, detailed instructions, and smiling models showing off perfect teeth. But as we dig deeper, several red flags begin to appear. First, many of the visuals and ad videos look AI-generated or stock style, raising doubts about whether these are real users or just digital marketing creations. Then come the misleading medical claims. The site says their dentures protect your jawbone, but standard removable dentures don't do that. Only implant-supported dentures can help prevent bone loss. The claim of a 30-minute home fitting is also unrealistic. Real dentures require professional impressions, lab work, and multiple fittings. Expecting perfect custom-fit dentures at home in under an hour is just not credible. The site also features what appear to be dentist endorsements, but none can be verified. No clinic names, license numbers, or professional profiles, suggesting these may be fake testimonials. Even more concerning, the same self-molding denture kit is sold on wholesale platforms like Alibaba for under $3, while Tuvilo charges $50 or more. That's a clear sign of dropshipping with heavy markup and exaggerated claims. Real customers paint an even worse picture. Many reviewers describe the dentures as cheap plastic pieces that look nothing like what was advertised. Some said they received nothing at all, while others had to fight their banks for refunds after being ignored by the company. Several mentioned that the product quality was so poor it resembled Halloween props rather than real dentures. There's also no proof of any medical certification or FDA approval for these dentures. Without safety testing or regulatory approval, using such a product in your mouth can be risky. And finally, the website provides no clear company details, no verified address, and no working customer support, all signs of a suspicious or untrustworthy operation. In the end, Tuvilo Dentures seem to rely on flashy marketing and exaggerated promises rather than genuine quality or trust. If you're considering dentures, it's always best to consult a licensed dentist or a trusted dental lab instead of risking your money on questionable online offers. Stay cautious, do your research, and don't fall for too good to be true smile solutions.